up guys, Callsign24 here, and in today's video we're playing at Commando Action Centre in Navan, Ontario on their designated airsoft field. In this game mode, me and two others, Paul and Mark, have to defend the second floor of the shipping containers for 4 minutes. The twist in this game is that green and yellow smoke grenades are poison gas and can kill us at any time. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I am also using a Crytek CRB Mark II with a custom Tiger Stripe paint job.
Yeah, they're on our left, Paul.
Yeah.
Far left. Come on, boys! Green smoke on the bottom! Hey Paul, I'm moving to you. Yeah. Gas on the outside.
Gas on the outside left. Yeah, duck down. Yeah, they're about to come up, I think. Yep, see him? No. He's right back on the right side of that.
Copy.
Hey!
Got one. You're hit? Are you hit?
Hey!
Fuck, man,
Yo, Paulo, you back in yet?
Yep.
Copy.
They just put the ladder up.
10-4. Oh, that was definitely a hit. Sorry. Changing.
Alright, small.
Wait.
So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment, rate, and subscribe.